I've lived in San Angelo since 2011 after I graduated nursing school. I started nursing in the emergency department and loved it. And then the role of trauma program manager opened up and decided to try something new. And then a couple years ago, the director of trauma services role opened up and I moved into that role and get to work with an amazing team. I love all the people that I work with. I love everything that we get to do in the community. There's absolutely nothing better than being able to help somebody and they go home better than they came in. There's nothing more fulfilling. It's difficult to describe how good it makes you feel and how good you and your team feel after helping somebody in that way. Shannon is dedicated to providing exceptional care. And so I think that's really a huge piece in what we do. So we're really involved in providing exceptional care in our department, specifically tied into what Shannon's mission is regarding injury prevention, helping with education, providing those resources. And one thing is we make sure that we don't just focus on San Angelo, but we focus on San Angelo and the surrounding areas because we know how important it is for all the people in our region to have all of those resources also. One thing with the Trauma Services Department is we're not a siloed department within Shannon. So really when it comes to the care of the trauma patient, when it comes to injury prevention, when it comes to education and resources, it's the entire hospital system. Our Safe Kids coordinator and our Safe Kids program, they work to do all things child safety. So she does some great things within the community and surrounding areas on car seat safety, water safety, helmet safety, bike safety. We get together for the summer safety event and we all bring different resources, we all bring different education. So not only do we get to pass out these life jackets to the families and children that come, but they leave with lots of different education, lots of different resources. Another program that we have is the Trauma Survivors Network, which is an amazing program that's new to our hospital, and our coordinator helps provide support resources for patients and their families during their hospital stay, and also she makes sure that they have what they need when they're ready to get discharged. And so it's all inclusive, really focusing and making sure that they leave there feeling fulfilled with what they need. With our injury prevention events within the community, what is so rewarding is seeing that mom's face when you can provide them with a car seat when they didn't have one, or making sure that their child's safe with it being properly installed, and then handing out the life jackets and making sure that that child is safe in the summer. There are hardly words to how awesome it is to watch them be provided with what they need.